First, we open the glove box. Once the glove box is down, notice on the right side there's that damper that we have to pull out. All we have to do is just position our finger and push the damper downwards. There it is. Once that damper is pulled out, notice there's actually one pointer coming out right here and the other pointer on the other end that also needs to be pulled out. The way we'll be taking out these two dampers is we will push both sides just like that and then pull out both of those pointers, then grabbing the glove box like this and completely taking it apart. Right side pulled out. With the left side pulled out, there's the complete glove box taken down. There's our cabin air filter behind the glove box. Notice there's that one tab right here. Press the tab and then pull it outwards. Similar to that on the other side, also need to press a tab and pull out the complete cover. Just like that, the cover is pulled out. Right there is our cabin air filter. We'll grab the filter from the front and then slide it all the way out. And that is how we take out the cabin air filter for this car. In my case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that there is an arrow sign at the front right there you could see. It should be at the front end pointing towards downwards. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this filter back where we took it out from. I always punch in the left side portion first, then I punch in the right side. Once both sides in, then slide the filter all the way down. Just like that, make sure the filter is completely in position. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this cover. Notice this cover has one tab on the left side and the other tab on the right side. Also make sure there is an up sign at the front and it's pointing towards upside. Now we'll go ahead and punch it in just like that. Once in position, then we push the left side first, then also push the right side as well. There we got the cover in position. Now it's time to go ahead and punch in the glove box. Notice the glove box on the right side has this hinge coming out. Similar to that on the left side, there's also one more hinge coming out. These two hinges are supposed to go into one spot right here and the other spot right there. We'll carefully go ahead and punch in the glove box, keeping in mind those two positions. There it is. It has to completely go in just like that. Then similar to that on the other side, it also needs to go completely in just like that. Once we get both the hinges completely in their position, now what we will do is we will squeeze both of these covers from right and left and then punch in the glove box inside so that both of those pointers completely go in. There it is. This is how we punch in the glove box. Once both the pointers are in position, now we'll go ahead and punch in the damper. We'll grab the damper and then slide it downwards a little bit. Once the damper is in position, then we will just lift it upside until it completely goes in that tab. There we got the damper completely in position. We are good to close the glove box. And that wraps up the replacement of cabin air filter for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.